Today we are going to set up a new client in LedgerHQ. We will create the company, enter the details Tally needs, clean up the chart of accounts, connect the bank feeds, and set the posting controls for a brand new client. Let's start on the Companies page. Select New Company. This is the Create Company form. At the top, we enter the company name. The slug fills in automatically. This is the name LedgerHQ uses in the company URL, so it has to be unique. Next, we enter the owner's name, email, and cell phone. The email is used for the client invitation. The cell phone can be used when the client needs a bank connection or reconnect link. At the bottom, we have three setup options: Start Fresh, Import from QuickBooks, and Build from bank CSVs. Start Fresh creates a standard chart of accounts. Import from QuickBooks leaves the chart empty for the import. Build from bank CSVs opens a back work setup with Tally. Lakeside is new, so we choose Start Fresh. Then we create the company. With the company created, let's open it and select Settings. Company Settings holds the legal and financial facts used by the books. For company type, choose S Corporation. For industry, enter physical therapy. Most S corporations use a calendar year, so set the fiscal year start to January. The field asks for the first month of the fiscal year. January gives us a December 31st year end. Next, let's return to Companies and open Company Info. The top of Company Info holds the owner record and invitation status. Below that is the company brief. This is where we enter details, so Tally can better understand the client. The brief is divided into practical bookkeeping sections. We do not need a long memo. We give Tally the facts that could change a bookkeeping decision. For business overview, describe what the company does and who it serves. Then add revenue sources, payroll facts, owner spending rules, and any coding notes that affect the books. These answers become company context for Tally, but the brief does not post a transaction by itself. Now let's move to the chart of accounts. Start Fresh created the standard chart. The summary shows how the chart is divided across assets, liabilities, equity, revenue, and expenses. For Lakeside, we need the balance sheet accounts first, one checking asset and a separate liability for each credit card. Then keep the equity, service revenue, payroll, rent, insurance, software, supplies, merchant fee, and other expense accounts the company actually uses. Anything that does not apply can be deactivated. Deactivating an account keeps its history but removes it from the normal active list. A connected feed is linked to a specific register in the chart. That link tells LedgerHQ which ledger balance belongs to the feed. Before we connect the feeds, let's confirm the bank and card coverage. The checking account maps to a checking asset account. Each business card maps to its own credit card liability account. Now let's take a look at bank feeds. Each connected account appears as its own feed card, with the bank balance, register balance, transactions to post, and the current difference. Confirm the linked register under the feed. Checking belongs to the checking asset. Each card belongs to the matching card liability. The transaction feed supplies the activity we code and post. The bank statement is separate. It supplies the ending balance and statement period used for reconciliation. When the institution supports plaid statements, LedgerHQ can receive the files with the connection. Otherwise, the statement can be uploaded or requested separately. Next, let's return to Company Info and check the Owner section. Here we can see the owner's email, cell phone, and invitation status. The invitation stays pending until the client accepts it. The selected owner can receive Bank Connect and Reconnect links. The final setup area is posting control. Let's start in bank feeds. New companies start with AI Auto Post Off, and we leave it off while reviewing the first transactions. At the firm level, automation settings holds the AI Auto Post confidence threshold. Here, the threshold is 90%. A 95% suggestion clears a 90% threshold. An 85 or 88% suggestion does not, so it stays in fast coding for review. Bank rules are separate, and warnings or posting problems can still stop a transaction. For a new client, review the first transactions, fix the mappings, add repeat vendor rules, and complete the company brief before turning on AI Auto Post. Lakeside is now ready for bookkeeping. In the next video, we will set up a client that already has books in QuickBooks. We will import the chart and transaction history, then check the data before we continue the bookkeeping in LedgerHQ.